Hey, this is Alan with Chevy Midland. You don't see these too often. It's a single cab dually. This thing is pimping. Look at that. Not something you see every day, that's for sure. Got all sorts of goodies. Definitely don't see this every day. There's the window sticker. Best I can get it. Feel like sneezing now that I'm out in the sun. Dualies. That 4x4. Got some whomp, that's for sure. Look how big that exhaust is. It's huge. I always wonder how they put these on. Good. There's multiple points of contact. That's good. Oh, it's a single cab. Duramax. Heck yeah.